The olive oil is made in Greece. It's actually made by the owner's sister. It's called My Sister's Olive Oil.
Okay.
My name is Donald Contursi. I'm the president of Lip Smacking Foodie Tours. I started this company 1 year ago. It's been very successful. People really love it. We host walking food tours where we actually get to visit some of the best restaurants in Las Vegas. We walk right in, we have the tables preset with menus, what we're going to get to enjoy. We highlight the signature dishes that the restaurants are known for, so 3 to 4 dishes at each restaurant. Plenty of food, smaller portions, lets people try more things. As we walk restaurant to restaurant, we give a tour. Things along the way, things to do in Las Vegas, so we encourage people to take it at the start of their visit in case they want to return to one of those restaurants or they learn of maybe a neat bar to go visit while in Las Vegas. Our final stop, we actually get to go into the kitchen, learn how chocolate's made all the way from the cacao bean all the way to the chocolate bar. We'll have a chocolate tasting and then we'll have desserts made from those chocolates overlooking the fountains of Bellagio. We hear guests tell us all the time this has been the highlight to their trip to Las Vegas. I think everybody loves really great food. They're just overwhelmed with all the different choices in Las Vegas, and with this they get an opportunity to try the best ones, have the signature dishes from those, learn about Las Vegas, and have an elevated dining experience going in the kitchen and meeting the chef and that sort of thing.